Discover It Secured does not have a guaranteed graduation date because moving from a secured card to an unsecured card depends on Discover's review of your account. By the end, you'll know what factors affect the graduation process, what responsible card use looks like, and what steps you can take to improve your chances of moving beyond a secured card. The first thing to understand is that a secured card works differently from a regular credit card because it starts with a security deposit that supports the account. Graduation means the card may move to an unsecured version, and the deposit may be returned if the account qualifies. The timeline is different for each person because credit history, payment behavior, account activity, and other factors can affect the review process. The biggest factor you control is payment history. Paying your Discover It Secured balance on time shows consistent account management. Keeping your account active also helps create a record of how you use the card. Another factor is how much of your available credit you use. A lower balance compared with your credit limit can show that you are managing available credit responsibly. If you are waiting for graduation, check your Discover account regularly for updates. Make sure your personal information is current and continue using the card responsibly while you wait. Some cardholders look for a specific number of months before graduation, but there is no single timeline that applies to everyone. A person with a limited credit history may have a different experience from someone who already has established credit accounts. If your card has not graduated yet, avoid closing the account because it may remove a credit history that could help your credit profile. Instead, focus on consistent payments and responsible usage. The practical steps are simple. Pay every bill on time, monitor your account activity, keep your information updated, and review any messages from Discover about your account status. A secured card graduation is not something you force through a single request. It is based on how your account performs over time, and whether the issuer determines that your account qualifies. The next step is to review your recent payment history and make sure your Discover It Secured account is being managed consistently. If this guide helped you understand the graduation process, like the video and subscribe for more practical credit card guides.